Here we are at Van Wert Carts and More, 883 North Washington Street here in Van Wert, Ohio, 419-238-2732. Looking at this good looking 2015 EZGO TXT with the silver and gray, scarlet and gray themed Ohio State cart. Again, 2015 TXT, very good looking cart. Does have our base street legal package on it, which includes your windshield, your 5-panel mirror, turn signals, lights, LED lights. You got a horn, 4-way flashers, brake lights, lighted rear license plate bracket. So very good looking cart. It does have the 22 by 10 by 14 all-terrain tires, coupled with the silver and black SS 14-inch wheels. Does have the Jake's 6-inch long travel lift kit on it, which includes your chrome brush guard, adjustable suspension up front here, adjustable for ride, make it smoother or a little bit firm ride. Again, like I said, the LED headlights with turn signals. On the passenger side here, does say "Go Bucks" down on the front of the passenger side rear seat. Just a good looking cart, scarlet and gray. The Block O does have USB ports right up in there, 2 USB ports. Here's your 13.5 horse Kawasaki gas engine that comes with the cart. It does have a brand new battery, brand new air filter, brand new fuel filter. Change the engine oil, change the oil filter, spark plug, so it's got a tune-up done on it. So it's ready to rock and roll. You get on it, go, drive it around. Does have our rear seat on it as well. It is a flip fold rear seat, so you can flip it down, and voila, now you have a cargo area or bed. Flip it back up. As I said, it does have the rear lights with the lighted rear license plate bracket on it. So get out here today or give us a call, 419-238-2732. Jump in on this action. This is a great cart. Give us a call for your test drive, 419-238-2732. Speaking of test drives, let's just take it for a quick little spin. So, hop on. Whoa, yeah. Maybe has a lot of pickup on it. So, very nice cart, very smooth riding cart. Geez. Get on out here to 883 North Washington Street, which is otherwise known as Van Wert Carts and More. Give us a call, 419-238-2732. I want to thank you very much for watching this video. I want to thank you very much for looking at our inventory, and can't wait to meet y'all. Thank you. Have a great day.